How's everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Nicky. Uh, I wanted to do just a quick video because I had some requests for price prediction for DigiByte, and I was playing around with the cards just before this video, and came up with a spread for DigiByte. Uh, I was just playing around because I was looking. I was like, "Wow, that's interesting." We've been getting very good cards for DigiByte. And I was like, well, what would be the probability within a year? So from now, we're like end of July, mid July, end of July to this time July. Within this time period, what would be the probability that DigiByte could hit $10 a coin? Now, I'm not saying that that is the highest DigiByte is going to go. Nowhere near that, right? I was just like, I'm curious because DigiByte is like it's 0.01. It's very low right now. Very well priced to buy. Another way of reading that. Uh, and if DigiByte was to go to say $10 a coin, that's already 1,000 multiple of your return. I mean, that in itself, for me, would be phenomenal. And I think for a lot of people, that would be phenomenal. I mean, like if your DigiByte portfolio is, sorry, if your DigiByte portfolio is, $1,000 right now, within the year, the potential 1,000 multiple return, that could be $100,000. That's doing well. That's a lot of money, right? um, so just that I was just like curious. And so what I came up, I've already pulled the cards, and no, I don't do FUD. I read the cards. Okay, so actually I was playing around. I already did the layout because I was curious, and I'm actually quite surprised because overall, when I look at the probability of DigiByte going to say around $10 a coin within the next year, I would say that it's quite probable. There's is even almost maybe a 70% chance. This is the Seven of Swords. 70% chance that it just rises, judgment. It literally rises from the dead, right? And I know that DigiByte, it's been disappointing for a lot of DigiByte holders. This is the past, Five of Cups, and it's been like that for a lot of coins, but particularly DigiByte, it's really low. And right now, it is really, really low. But I do feel that there's forces behind it that do want it. Like there is a possibility, like there is genuine value with DigiByte that it could go. This is the Queen of Wands, right? Genuine value that it could go to $10 a coin within the year. Now I'm not saying that's the highest. Okay, I just pulled that card, randomly. I was like, well, let's try $10 a coin. Because it's pretty low right now. It's like, 0.01 of a, 0.01. And the outcome for DigiByte is the Empress. Okay, that's the outcome. Empress is one of the most opulent abundance cards. She's a major arcana, and the planet associated with the Empress is Venus. That's opulence, extreme opulence. And she's, very wealthy. She's got her own land. She's very comfortable, very well dressed for those times, right? When the cards were drawn. So I do feel that overall it is looking good for DigiByte. Like right now, it's very low. Like right now, it's completely surrendered. 10 of Swords, right? It almost, I mean, if you looked at it face value, one would think, well, this thing is dead, right? But it's not. The advice is this cycle is about to end its cycle of disappointment. That's a world card, completion. Things come to an end of its disappointment because how it's aspected in the middle of it is the Empress, and she does very, very, very well. And I do believe that there is a strategy. There is a strategy in place to make this happen. I even go with potentially a 70% chance. I'm going to go with 70% chance that could happen. We'll keep on checking in. It's coming out of troubled waters. It's coming out of troubled waters soon. Six of Swords. It's been highly manipulated. Highly. That's the Magician. Okay. There is a contract. I pulled two more cards, right? There is a contract it is already a contract for DigiByte, some kind of business agreement, legal agreement that will really help it increase its price, strength. where the price rises significantly and stays high. Strength is when you've it's you've been through it, it's you don't get this card from not having done the work, right? You've completed cycles, you've learned the lessons, and strength is sustainable. Okay. Yeah. And I think that even within the next 6 months, so this is, I pulled two more cards, Nine of Pentacles. She's also extreme wealth. Okay. So we've already got two very wealthy cards for DigiByte. Um, Things still need to be sorted out. Things still need to be, Six of Pentacles. There's still things that need to be moved around in the background. Maybe even within 6 months, okay, DigiByte could really, really do very, very well financially. So I'm going with within the next year, around say minimum $10 a coin, 70% chance. The cycle of disappointment is about to end for DigiByte. There's a contract there, it's looking good. So we'll keep on checking in. So yeah, very good news. And obviously, we'll check in to see if this probability changes, but it's looking good so far. No, I think DigiByte could be one of the coins that does very, very well. Awesome. So, anyways, do like, comment, subscribe, and chat to you soon. Take care.